the overpacking curse. How compression packing cubes saved your luggage and sanity. Does your suitcase feel like a chaotic black hole, swallowing clothes, shoes, and toiletries with no rhyme or reason? Overpacking, wrinkled clothes, and wasted space are every traveler's nightmare. The struggle is real when you're trying to fit just one more outfit into a bag that's already bursting at the seams. Enter Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes, the travel companion designed to banish chaos. These innovative cubes promise to turn your packing disaster into a neatly organized masterpiece, freeing up space and saving you from the dreaded suitcase shuffle. Packing for a trip doesn't have to feel like solving a puzzle. Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes introduce a double-zipper compression system that lets you pack smarter, not harder. By reducing the volume of your clothes, these cubes create up to 50% more space in your luggage. That means more room for souvenirs, shoes, or even an extra outfit or two. Whether you're carrying a backpack, a carry-on, or a massive suitcase, these cubes fit seamlessly, ensuring your packing game is always on point. We've all been there. Opening your suitcase to find your clothes look like they've been through a wrestling match. Not anymore. These packing cubes keep your garments snug and secure, minimizing wrinkles and folds during transit. The breathable mesh top ensures freshness, so your clothes are not only organized but also ready to wear right out of the bag. Whether it's a crisp button-down for a business meeting or your favorite sundress for vacation, Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes ensure you'll always look your best. Travel can be unpredictable, but your packing gear shouldn't be. Made from premium, water-resistant nylon and equipped with heavy-duty, snag-free zippers, these cubes are built to handle whatever your journey throws at them. From rugged camping trips to luxurious vacations, Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes deliver reliable performance. Lightweight yet durable, they offer the perfect balance of strength and convenience, ensuring your belongings stay safe, dry, and perfectly organized throughout your travels. What if packing didn't feel like a chore? With Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes, it doesn't. These cubes are more than just luggage organizers, they're time savers, stress relievers, and travel enhancers. Affordable, versatile, and backed by glowing reviews, they're the ultimate solution for travelers seeking simplicity and efficiency. Whether you're a minimalist packer or someone who needs just-in-case outfits, these cubes adapt to your needs. Say goodbye to overpacking anxiety and hello to streamlined adventures. It's time to pack like a pro. Grab your set today and embrace the journey ahead.